Alright, today we're going to read Unified Facility Criteria 346003, November 10th, November 2017. Petroleum Fuel System Maintenance. Approved for public release distribution unlimited. Page intentionally left blank. Alright, your Chapter 1, Introduction, Purpose, Scope, Roles, Responsibilities, Operation Task, Maintenance Task, Department of Defense Fuels Facility Engineering Panel, several Service Headquarters, Subject Matters, Expert, Service Control Points, Regulatory Compliance, Waivers, Exemptions, Reference, Capitalized Fuel System. Chapter 2, General Maintenance Information, Health, Safety Risk, Safety References, Personal Protective Equipment, Health Hazards, Electrical Safety, Lockout, Tagout, Static Changes, Electrical Currents, Hazard Location Classification. 2.4 Petroleum Fuel Quality, Water Contamination Prevention, Removal of Water Contamination, Solid Matter Contamination Prevention, Removal of Solid Contamination, Microbiological Contamination, Other Product Contamination, Special Consideration Biodiesel Blend B20, Special Consideration Fuel Ethanol Blend E85, Changes in Tank Product, Environmental Protection, Spill Planning, Containment, Drain Valves, Waste Disposals, Signage Markings, Inspection Maintenance, Signage Markings. 2.8 Fire Protection, Petroleum Fuel Vapor Sources, Fire Explosions, Solid Source of Fires, Explosion, Ignition Source of Fires, Explosion Preventive Maintenance. 2 Emergency Action Plans, Maintenance Program, maintaining Petroleum Fuel Infrastructure, Documentation Record Retention, As-Built Information, Operation, Maintenance Support, Information Safety Reports. Chapter 3, Bulk Transfer Facility, General Truck Receipt, Inspection, Maintenance Truck Receipt, Pipeline Receipt, Inspection, Maintenance, Pipeline Receipt, Rail Receipt, Bulk Issue, Truck Issue, Pipeline Issue, Rail Issue, Filterization, Pre-Filter, Filter Separators, 8-pack filters, Basket Strainers, Filter Separate Sump Hoses, Meters, Positive Displacement Meters, Turbine Flow Meters, Orifice Flow Meters, Pumps, Central Figure Pumps, Positive Displacement Pumps, Internal Combustion Drives, Gearboxes, Hoses, Loading Fuel Hoses, Offloading Fuel Hoses, Air Eliminator Tanks, Fuel Additive Injectors, Code Vessels. Chapter 4, Aircraft Fueling Facilities, General Hydrant System Type 1, Type 2, General Description, Site-Specific Control Valves, Type 2, Modified Control Valves, Rapid Flow Hydrant System Type 3, General Description System, Specific Control Valves. 4.5 Hydrant System Type 4, General Description System, Specific Control Valves. Hydrant System Type 5, General Description. Hydrant System, General Equipment, Pantographs, Hydrant Adapters, Fueling Nozzle Suppressors. 4.8 Hydrant System Product Recovery, Overfill Valve of the Product Recovery Tanks, Product Recovery Tank Release Detection, Product Recovery Tank Automatic Tank Gauges, Product Recovery Tank Fuel Transfer Pump. Chapter 5 Marine Receiving and Dispensing Facilities, Piers, Waivers, Marine Receipt, Marine Issue, Marine Loading Arms, Marine Underwater Hoses, Marine Transfer Hoses, Underwater Hoses, Dispensers, Offshore Mooring System, Single Point Mooring System, Multiple Point Mooring System. 5.8 Submerged Piping System, Boom Reels. Chapter 6 Piping System, Piping Testing Inspection, On-Base Pipelines, Inter-Terminal Pipelines, Above-Ground Piping, Double Wall Piping, Pipe Visual Inspection, Line Walk, Line Patrol, Volume Check, AP 570 Inspection, General Pipeline Cleaning Operation, Piping System Repairs, Pits, Small Leaks, Pit Integrity Management Plan, Flange, Gaskets, Valves, Valve Tagging, Manual Valves, Thermals, Pressure Relief Valves, Semi-Automatic Valves, Automatic Control Valves, Motor Operators, Pressure and Vacuum Instrumentation, Pressure and Pressure Vacuum Gauges, Differential Pressure Gauges, Pressure Transmitters, Differential Pressure Transmitters, Flexible Ball Joints, Thermometers, Dowel Thermometers, Pipe Equipment Coatings, Above Ground Piping Equipment Coatings, Above Ground Piping Coating Repairs, Internal Carbon Steel Coatings, Underground Fuel Pits, Isolation Valve Pits, Hydrant Fuel Pits, High Point Vent Pits, Low Point Drain Pits, Lateral Control Pits, Minor Piping Systems, Low Point Drains, High Point Vents, Site Flow Indicators, Electronic Release Detection Monitoring, General Inspection Release Detection System. 6.14 Visual Release Detection Monitoring, Visual Monitoring. Chapter 7 Ground Vehicle Fuel Facilities, General Dispenser Nozzles, Dispenser Hoses, Breakaway Swivels, Hose Retrievers, Dispenser Cabinet, Dispenser Meters, Dispenser Filters, Dispenser Strainers, Ground Vehicle Pipe, Fuel Piping, Emergency Shutoff Valves, Shear Valves, Dispenser Pumps, Transmitter Pumps, Dispenser Pumps, Remote Dispenser Pumps, Self-Contained Dispenser Pumps, EFSO Systems, Vapor Recovery Stage 1 and Stage 2, Vapor Burners, Tactical refueler loading, electrical release detection monitoring, general inspection release detection system, visual release detection monitoring, visual monitoring. Chapter 8, Petroleum Storage Tanks, General Information Containing Prevention of the Tank Surface Coatings, External Tank Coating Repairs, Internal Tank Coating Repairs, Above Ground Field Erected Tanks, Inspection Maintenance, Above Ground Field Erected Tanks, Geodesic, Dome Roofs, Foundation, Shop Prefabricated Tanks, Above Ground Shop Fabricated Tanks, Self-Diking Valve, Vaulted Tanks, Rectangular Concrete Encased Tanks, Above Ground, Underground Shop Fabricated Tanks, Underground Field Constructed Tanks, Cut and Cover Tanks, Tank Cleaning, Returning for Service all after a formal out-of-service inspection repair, tank stenciling requirements, tank appurtenances, floating roof plans, secondary tank bottoms, tanker pressure, vacuum vents, emergency vents, flame arresters, high-level shutoff valves, mechanical tape gauges, automatic tank gauges, leveled arms, product saver tanks, side stream filterization systems, fill ports, release detection monitoring, float suction lines, foam fire protection systems, heating coils, stilling wells, and contaminating systems. Inspection maintenance with the contaminating system, general concrete, cement, brick dike or berm walls or floors, earthen dike and walls, self-dike, valued tank containment, flexible membrane liners, pipe penetrations, miscellaneous use of tanks, Chapter 9, Electrical System, Electric Control System, Equipment Scope, Limitation, Electrical Equipment, Power Cables, Motor Controls, Panel Boards, Ground Systems, Electric Motors, Lightings, Electronic Equipment, Cathodic Protection System, Cathodic Protection, Electrical Isolation Card, Key Locks, Lightning Protection System, Ground Verification System, Electronic Overfill Protection, Chapter 10, Liquid Petroleum Gas, Liquid Petroleum Tanks, Liquid Petroleum Pipelines, Liquid Petroleum Vapor Lines, Liquid Petroleum Gas Vaporizers, Petroleum Gas Regulators, Liquid Petroleum Gas Hoses, Compressed Natural Gas Piping, Compressor Storage, Dispensers, Dispenser Hoses, Hydrozyne Charging Units, JP10, OTTO, Chapter 11, Support Facilities, Secondary Containment, Fuel Truck Containment Areas, Remote Spill Containment, Protective Shelters, Pump House, Filter Buildings, Canopies, Safety Showers, eye wash, state fountains, fuel laboratories, ventilation hoods, oil, water separators, crane hoists. Chapter 12, Fuel Facility Temporary Deactivation Closure, Deactivation Fuel Tanks, Deactivation Fuel Facilities, Deactivation Petroleum Fuel Tanks, Deactivated Petroleum Fuel Pipelines, Deactivated Petroleum Fuel Pumps, Miscellaneous Deactivated Components, Tank and Pipelines, Documentation and Record Keeping, Appendix A, Reference, Appendix B, Acronyms, Appendix C, Maintenance Table, Appendix D, Maintenance Procedures, Appendix E, Tank Inspection Checklist, Appendix F, Tank Inspection Checklist, Appendix G, Petroleum Fuel Pipeline Pressure Testing Guidelines and Criteria, Appendix H, Tank Cleaning Guidance, and Appendix I, Department of Logistics Agency, Energy Program Project Management Project Programming. And then it goes over a list of figures. Chapter 1, Introduction. We're going to cut the tape so you have a clear, you can use the TOC.